It is a common saying in English that money makes the world go round. It means that you will probably need a lot of money to buy a house, travel around the world, or go to a good college or university. So how can you make more money and become wealthy? Many people will give you a wide range of tips. In this video, I will show you how to get rich quickly. Before the video starts, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. Now, let's get started. 1. Invest in your skill. Make it your goal to do one thing better than anyone. Work on it, train it, learn it, practice, evaluate, and refine it. You may find most sports players or entertainers are millionaires, and that is because they are utilizing their skills fully. If there's something you're good at, it is likely you can reap considerable rewards from it. It is the same concept of being at the top of a particular field. You find opportunities come to you when you are the best at something. To become an expert in something, it is crucial never to stop improving. Successful people invest time, energy, and money in improving themselves, and it might just be the most rewarding investment you can ever make. To get started, figure out what skill you want to cultivate. Make a list of the world's 10 best people at that one thing, and use this list to define criteria and track your progress toward becoming the best. 2. Hit $100,000, then invest the rest. Everyone wants to get rich fast, but a goal like this isn't something you can quickly achieve in a short period. Instead of thinking of how to get rich fast, aim at saving $100,000 first. The small amounts you save daily are potent. You might only be able to put away $5 or $10 at a time, but each investment is your financial foundation. 3. Be an inventor. Stop thinking about getting rich fast and start thinking about serving many people. Your insights will have more impact if you think about what people need or things that could improve society. Not only that, you could be the first to produce a trending product in the future. When you start to serve a lot of people, the effect of word of mouth is magnified. Not to mention you'll have much more helpful feedback to improve your work. A patent for a famous invention could be the fast-lane ticket to prosperity. Just look at Snapchat. It would be challenging, but consider it a way to benefit those who need your invention. No business is successful without the support of the public. Rather than squeezing every single dollar out of your customers, show them you are working to make them better. 4. Join a startup and get stocks. Owning stocks of one or more startup companies could be a valuable investment if the company thrives and either floats or is sold to a larger enterprise. Only a tiny minority of startups succeed in realizing significant capital gains, so the odds are not good. However, you can use your judgment to see which business idea and management team are likely to succeed. Early Apple, Google, and Microsoft employees became millionaires on this basis. 5. Develop property. Buying, developing, and selling property has always been a significant way for people to accumulate capital. Borrowing could be a key element in this method. Say you borrow $200,000 and put in $50,000 of your own to buy a property for $250,000. Then you develop the property and sell it for $400,000. The property has increased by 60%, but your $50,000 has grown fourfold to $200,000. You must select suitable properties in the right areas and develop them wisely. You are at risk from booms and busts in the property market. However, this remains a proven way to accumulate wealth in the long term. 6. Build a portfolio of stocks and shares. If you can make steady investments in stocks over a long period, choose wisely, and reinvest the dividends, you can build a large store of wealth. Of course, stocks can go either way, and many small investors lose heart when their portfolio plunges. But over the long term, equities are as good an investment as property and much more liquid. Stock market crashes represent great buying opportunities for those with cash and strong nerves. 7. Start your own business and eventually sell it. More and more startups have seen success with significant returns in recent years. If you can find a new approach towards a specific corner of the market and build a business that addresses that need, then you have the potential to succeed in it. It can be anything: a cleaning business, a food delivery service, or a blog. Building up the enterprise will probably take years of challenging work. All entrepreneurs will have to endure significant risk and stress. But if you can pull it off, the potential rewards are enormous. This is how many of the seriously wealthy people did it. 8. Choose the right profession. Choose a job of your interest. Do what you love and love what you do. No one succeeds in doing what they hate. You might have to start at the bottom and work your way up. But chances are, if you love what you do, it's easier to make that happen. You'll enjoy the process of getting to the top. Earn experience through different levels of work. When you feel like you have gained all you can from it, consider moving on to other companies that would widen your horizon on different business cultures. Putting more experience in various positions would make you a more valuable asset for companies and make you a better option for higher-ranked duties. 9. Start a side hustle. The idea of a side hustle is nothing new, but if you have some extra time and can pick up some extra work for a few hours a week, that can be a powerful way to increase your income. Gig economy work, such as Uber and TaskRabbit, make it easy to find flexible work, and there is no shortage of lists of types of side hustles to be found online. Finding a side hustle is sometimes easier said than done, but this can be extra money that you can continue to invest further. Immediately try to find 2 to 3 side hustles that boost your take-home income. Save as much of that as you can. 10. Cut your expenses. The biggest problem in some people's path to getting rich is spending more than they earn. Living below your means will be the easiest to get rich. Consistently track your progress on how much you're spending. Use an app or an Excel spreadsheet to ensure you always know how much money you have and where it's going. This gives you a proper place to review and refine what does and doesn't make sense in your spending. 11. Save it in your bank. Set savings goals and routines to support those goals. Figure out ways that work for you in saving money and refine what doesn't. Many banks have the option of creating separate savings accounts, as well as automatic withdrawals. By setting up these automatic transfers, you save passively and try not to keep. Another thing you can try is to increase the amount of savings by 1% in every interval you wish. At first, it will be an insignificant change, but as time passes, you will notice a big difference. 12. Make investments wisely. Investment is much more than pure luck. One investment mistake could tear away a large chunk of your assets. So make sure you think twice whenever you make decisions on investments, whether on properties or stock. It will be better for you to consider opinions from professionals and experts to give you some ideas. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post such informative and fantastic content. See you in the following video. Goodbye.